ఇది స్లైవర్. ఓకే, ప్లీజ్ we want to make an ఆపిషి. ఓకే, ఆ వీడియో స్పిన్నింగ్ యానిమేషన్ వీడియో ఉంది కదా, తీసుకోలేదా? అది రింగ్ స్పిన్నింగ్ యానిమేషన్. ఓకే, ఆప్ కొంచెం ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్. Up. This is the sliver. No, the sliver is made small, okay, in size, because this roller difference,
speed difference,
are limited. We are limited by mechanically. We are limited by speed. So I cannot make like large ratios. In open end spinning, they run in lakhs. They run in thousands of speeds. So there the sliver,
the quality is not important.
The sliver is directly made to yarn. They are limited for coarser count only, large size.
Large size.
Because they are not uniform also. This carding, after that combing, carding, after that drawing, and after that combing, all what they are doing, they are making it a uniform. A constant, uniform, perfect size. So the sliver cannot come here because it is weak. They are only stick together, fibers are. So in the roving, they reduce the size by same drafting system, same roller, slow feed and fast drawing. They decrease the size 3 times or 5 times.
Okay.
And they get into this ring spinning. Okay, with a twist also.
Twist.
Because this roller is pulling, it is taking from the roving bobbin. So it should not have a stretch. It should have a uniform. The uniformity, maintaining uniformity is what you are doing in the process. That is what the skill. That is what automation will help you, giving the proper feedback. So here, this roving is entering into the drafting system. Because of the feed speed and delivery speed difference, we are getting the desired size. I want this size to be made 40 count, means from one hand I am making a 40 count, means this size I am bringing to 40 and taking out.
Yes.
Okay. Next play. So this is the first stage of reduction of your size to final size.
Final size.
This is the final size. Here you are fixing it. So the draft quality, how well you can press the fibers and push forward with a uniformity.
Yes.
Okay. In this only, at this point, if there is a suction and taking the short fibers, it is called compact.
Compact.
Okay. Means at the final, this is a yarn making. This is the final yarn. This is the finished product.
Size of the final yarn.
So this is the finished product. So the finished product, quality, size, and everything in drafting. Before drafting, the input, uniformities, everything will decide. So here, at this point, if there is a section and taking the short hairiness fibers which are creating on the cloth, it is called compact. Compact spinning. And from here, this is spinning crackle. Here you can see there is a twist of fibers because of traveler going on the round. Means this is a constant point. This is moving point in a round. When it is a circular and the other point is fixed, you will have a twist. Okay. That twist depends upon this, how much fibers are entering out at that spindle speed, at the roller same delivery for 10 meters per minute delivery. If I spin the spindle at 18,000 RPM, I get one twist. If at the same delivery, if I increase 18,000 to 20,000, the roller speed is same 10 meters.
It will be more.
Okay. So the delivery and the speed of spindle will decide the twist. This thing is what we are doing at ring spinning. This reducing of size is one very important. This is the count, desired count.
Twisting.
Then applying this twist. No, not only this. How well you are packing onto this tube is controlled by the ring movement. That movement we are automating. And how fast you can pack onto this is by our balloon height speed based pattern. Okay, play. Okay, this is coming onto the ring by lappet hook. A point where the balloon is formed. Balloon starting point.
Balloon starting point and traveler point.
Traveler
In between
point.
there is a balloon.
That's all. The starting point of balloon is lappet hook. They call it as a lappet
And
hook.
end point is
Traveler. Traveler. Okay. Okay. So this spindle is rotating the traveler around itself. So it is packing around itself. So okay, the weight of traveler and the speed of ring placing coil above coil are going to decide the compactness of the traveler. Okay.
Packing.
Spindle speed, coil above coil packing, that is by ring rail movement control, and ratcheting means every time, every one stroke, how much coil it is leaving is going to decide the corp content. So this package is going to decide the uniformity of the taper. The uniformity of the taper is going to decide the tension on yarn. The clearance, if it is uniform, the tension is uniform. Means more speeds you can run. Okay, so this taper build is also important for running brakes. This study will improve the production. Okay, when you can study, when you can change easily only you can study. You study, but changing by mechanical, calling people, then electrical adjusting sensors is difficult.
And machine has to be stopped.
Yes, and the application result is only you are limited by only small amounts. Here you can do whatever you want. Rail is in your hand, and it can you have control in microns. Okay. Play. So this is a pigtail, okay, lappet hook what we call. This is the anti-balloon ring, okay.
Okay, balloon ring పెద్దది అయిపోకుండా ఆపడానికి.
That is why it is anti, okay. So it is controlling the balloon. Next, play. Okay, this going one stroke up and down is called chase length. Okay, so chase length you can, if you have more chase length, you will have more taper. Okay, and different counts you can play with chase length also. So less chase length, more pop build, less clearance, less brakes. So seeing the slough off at auto coning, changing chase length easy. There changing chase length means again you have to call the mechanical person. He has to adjust the lever movement. He has to increase or decrease by again introducing or changing some wheel or something, some screw or some adjustment. Again limited by resolution. Next. So like that, up to your lift the package is built. So you can have this ring rail speed movement, different movements at different points. Okay, bottom build you can have differently, middle build you can have differently, top build you can have differently for getting the content advantage, production advantage and brakes advantage. Okay, next. Video అయిపోయింది, ఇప్పుడు మనకు ఇది advantage, mid stop చేయి.